So I'm just wondering what I can do with it. So let's see what we can make. So I tried it on and it is way too big for me. So I'm going to cut it right through here, about that much, and then I'm going to taper the sleeve off. That's what I'm going to do first. Cut the one side off, and that's what I got. That's how much I cut off. And then what I'm going to do is just put it over here, just make it match. Cut off about the same amount on this side right here. Let me get that done. Okay, so I cut it off, and I cut it so under the arms like I showed you. Like now it fits me, but I don't like these big old sleeves, so I've already measured it right here, and I'm just going to whack those sleeves off. Okay, 2 whack sleeves off. Now they're short. Now I got this white shirt right here, and what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it off right up and under the arms, right through there, and then I am going to slightly gather it to this shirt right here. But I think I'm going to remove this pocket first. Phew, I tell you what, when I get these pockets on at the factory, they mean for them to stay on. I think they use like 100 stitches per inch. But anyway, it's coming off. I think I'll just keep the pocket and then maybe put it down here somewhere. Or I may just make another pocket out of something else. So I don't know what that is. I don't know what a 17, I don't know if you can see that, 17 and a half, 36 by 37. If anybody knows what that is, what is that, extra large or extra extra large? Let me know, because I just usually always try to find a big large shirt, but I don't know what that means. I gathered it up all the way around, and then I sewed it on, and now I've got to pull out all these pins. I'll flip it over and see how it's fitting me. So this is what we got right now, and I like it, and it fits. Actually, I probably should have cut it off a little bit more right here, about that much further down, because now it's more like a dress than a shirt. So I got 2 options. Keep it as is, which I like, or cut it right through here and make it shorter for a shirt, and maybe put some type of ruffle at the bottom, or just hem it straight across. I don't know, but I like it. It feels good on. So let me think about that a minute. I don't, whoever that was, his name was Hanson. So maybe that tells me I should cut the bottom of it off. I got this at a thrift store, and I guess, I mean, why would you write your name down there? I don't know. But anyway, let me decide what I'm going to do with it. Okay, so here's what I'm talking about. It sort of looks like a dress. So that's the question that I got. Should I cut that bottom off so I could have a shirt instead of it looking more like a dress? However, it would look really cute with leggings. So still hadn't made my mind up. Alright, so I've cut the cuffs off of that shirt, and I am going to sew them on the upper part of here, so I will have a finished cuff. Would that be a short cuff? I don't know what that would be. But anyway, I think it'll finish it off. I think it'll look cute. So I'm going to get that sewed on. I've got these cuffs inside, so that's right sides to right sides. And I just went all the way around, and what I had left, I just pleated a little bit. So I'm fixing to take my sewing machine, go all the way around it, and then when I pull it out, it should be, you know, right sides to right sides. But let's hope so. Got it sewed all the way around, and I'm just going to take the pins out, and of course I'll go around it with my serger and get those rough edges. But let me pull it out and see what's going to look like on this side. Alright, this is the right side. Now, see, when I cut that off, I just left a little edge right through there. That would give me plenty of room to sew on. And that way I didn't have to sew on this edge right here. So I pleated this stuff right in through here where it went around. I just put little gathers in, little pleats. So let me take the other one off, run it through my serger and get those rough edges, and then I think I'll sew that pocket on. I was going to put this pocket back on, the one that I cut off. I thought maybe up there, and then I thought maybe midways, I don't know, but really wasn't too fond of it. So what I done is cut a piece of that sleeve out, and I think I'm going to turn this under and then top stitch it right through here, and then I think I'll just use this material right here. I think it'll look better. I think I might run me a piece of elastic right through here so it'll scrunch it up a little. So let me get that sewed. I've got my pocket down, and I got it pinned down, and I made me this little loop right here, and then I'm going to put this little button right here, and then when it's done, you can loop it so your stuff don't fall out of your pocket like that. So that made a cute little pocket with the little button, so I can just unbutton it and get my stuff out. Button it back. I'm going to cut me out of flour with this piece right here. It's a piece of that sleeve that's left over. And then I think I might do a little smaller one in white and stick it on top. And put a button in the middle of it and sew it on right here. I think that'll look cute. Okay, so I sewed the white one to the striped one. Now I've got it pinned on here, and I'm just fixing to do a little, I don't know if probably just a straight stitch all the way around. I'd like to tell you just a little bit about my channel. It's all about recycling, reusing, giving something a facelift. Take stuff that you already have, make it into something else. Keep it out of that landfill. So, I did another video on the bottom half of this, so I'm not that good yet on how to put links in and stuff, so it's probably the one before this one. So, anyway, if you can keep stuff out of the landfill, that's great. Just, if I can do it, you can do it. Trust me, if I can do it, you can do it. Get your sewing machine, start sewing, make up stuff. You'll like it, it's enjoyable, it's fun to see what you've created. So the bottom half of this went to the top half of that. Okay, so all through, all done. I've got my sleeves on that I cut off of this white shirt. This is the bottom of the white shirt. Here's the little flower that I made. I put in there, put a little bow button in there. And then here's my pocket, and here's my little latch to my pocket right there. So I can just latch it back up, put my lipstick, whatever in there, it won't fall out. And this is my shirt. I decided to leave it long. I can wear it as a dress if I want to. I got leggings on under it, and I think that works out fine. It's a twofer. I can wear it for a shirt, leggings, or I can wear it for a dress. Okay, that's the end of it today. I've made this nice little dress shirt, I guess you would say. Until I put out another video, I'm Frankie. This is Frankie's DIY Life. I appreciate you watching. Hit that subscribe button, that like button, and then you'll get notified of anything that I do. So until next time, thanks for watching.